So this Frigidaire Gallery French door bottom mount, the lights were stuck on, and you see they're here. We've got some burnage going on in the liner, and there at the bottom. We're in diagnostic mode. Test 3 is for the lights. Right now the board thinks they're off, and they are not. But if I close the door and open them, it's supposed to ramp up. And I've got another video where, a little clip here. Setting the phone in here now. I'm gonna close the door and count to 10 Mississippi to give it plenty of time to turn the lights off. All right, we are in. Video. If we look at the lights, sorry, these are incandescent lights, so we don't have any LED lights to worry about. But over here, here's the refrigerator incandescent lights, and that's totally controlled by the board. We already checked the door switch. It checked out good. We did that in self-test mode, but probably these triacs right here are shorted, unable to open and close the circuit to the refrigerator lights. So the lights are on all the time. So that unfortunately means new control board.